been seeing online that they're doing a lot of holiday stuff, but I don't see anything. I was seeing like Halloween stuff. None of that is at this location, which I don't blame them because, I mean, can we enjoy the summer before we see all the Halloween stuff? Hello Kitty pasta. Garden noodle soup, $9.99. Black truffle mayonnaise. Got a bunch of popcorn. Already saw what you like. I'm manifesting. Oh, this is so cute. It's $4.99. Hello Kitty. Oh, look at the Winnie the Pooh. Okay, all the 90s babies should know Aristocats. Isn't this cute, y'all? These are bowls. This is a candle. This is so cute. Your little lemonade jar. They have cherries as well. And if you want to get ready for Halloween,
Good job.
got schools.
Good job, little girl.
Oh, it's pretty heavy.